Wow.
Not bad.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I like the space.
I love it. These ceiling heights.
I like this.
Hello.
Little
Oh,
voices.
well, hello.
Hey, Rondog. Hi, guys.
What are you guys doing in our kitchen?
Oh, you know, maybe we want to buy this house for ourselves. Don't know. It looks pretty damn
Yes, you can
beautiful.
buy it. What do you guys think?
So stunning. It's just
Done a great job.
Beautiful
Fantastic,
job.
great.
Beautiful,
Great space.
Beautiful job.
Big smiles from all three judges walking into your kitchen today. About your kitchen, Shona simply said,
It's beautiful.
wow, wow.
Oh,
For Neil, it's total simplicity, textured and layered.
Love all these new extra finishes and stuff that Kinsman have got this year, because some of these, you know, a bit different to what we had, and I love it. So tell us about this stone bench, because I love how it's just flows from the bench up into the, above the range hood there. Beautiful choice.
When you first walk into our house, what do you see? You see the kitchen. So it really needed to not only be cohesive with the rest of the house, but it also needed to be a little bit of a hero.
And I love how you've actually integrated all your appliances as well. So you can't even, it's so seamless, you can't actually see anything.
I mean, I love an integrated appliance because I'm all about that seamless look. So
I'm liking this.
Oh, Harry, you've certainly got great taste, my friend. Doesn't it feel so soft? It is absolutely incredible. No fingerprint marks.
Guys, I have to say, I really love your brass handles that you've used in the kitchen. Do you know, can you give me a little bit of a rundown on those?
they're the new Auto Antique Brass Bar from Kinsman. And they're just really, they're very classic, but they also, when you put it in the setting of our kitchen, it has that contemporary take too.
I'm looking at this sink and I'm loving it. Nice matte white. Perfect.
And that's where I spend most of my time at home, in front of that sink, washing dishes.
Oh wow, as if you do, Ronnie,
Wow.
seriously.
At least you wash dishes, Ronnie. Dad does the cooking and just leaves the dishes all over the kitchen.
Okay.
Everywhere.
Harry, come on, mate. So, Tash, I believe you love lots of storage in the kitchen. Why don't you go check out our corner unit next to the fridge?
That's
Is
actually so
amazing.
smart.
Apparently that's got the Hackle Le Mans corner pull-out system, which is
That's
just,
amazing.
It's really taking advantage of a corner space, so there's no wasted storage.
If you want to be really blown away, go check out our master bedroom. Go on.
Done.
Best
Okay.
master bedroom in block history. Off you go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on, guys, you can show us. Oh, here it is. The best master bedroom in all of the block. Okay.
Impressive.
I might give it
Jeez,
to you
that's
guys, it's pretty damn good. But
Yeah.
Dad, I'm going to say the wardrobe's the most important part of a walk-in.
You know, I'm actually loving the colour you chose too.
Yeah.
These shaker door colours
this-
are beautiful.
Yeah, the profile of that is the Montauk, and it's a new profile, and the colour we've used is white matte.
What's going on here?
Ooh.
Bit luxe.
It's just detail. It's all about detail.
It's all about detail.
So guys, thank you so much for taking us on this tour. We feel very privileged that we've been able to come in here, and you've done an incredible job. I think the next thing we have to do is wish you good luck for auction day, and we're gonna keep on moving.
Thanks so much for coming through, guys. We're so glad we could share it with you, and we really appreciate your feedback. Thanks so much.
Thanks, guys.